What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see behind me, guys, the Grand National is still down. Yeah, I ran into some problems, but I'm not going to discuss it in this video. It'll be uploaded on the next video. But what I got today, guys, I got some part in that I need to install while the car is down, and I'm going to show you what it is. I tried to test fit it. I just looked at it, and I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to show you what I got, and hopefully some of y'all guys can tell me if it works or not, but we're going to figure it out. All right, this right here is what I got. This is the wastegate dump pipe right here. I've been looking and I don't know if we can get it to fit in there. So let me get some light, guys, and we can see if we can get this thing going. I came out here and start looking around. Okay. So this is what's gonna be hooking up to, guys. This wastegate right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some tools and we're gonna unloosen this, but the problem I'm having, I don't know if it's gonna fit and all that. But before I get an idea, let's go ahead and loosen this up so we can move this around. And hopefully we can find a good mounting spot for this pipe. I did order this for the front mount intercooler, but I don't know if I should have told him I had an HPT turbo. I don't know if that made a difference, but this is what I got. I know some of the other ones, I think they mounted a little bit further on this side over here. If I'm thinking right, it's right underneath there. But I don't know. So let me go get us some tools, man, and we'll get started on this. All right, let's see. Is that the right one? Yeah. Shoot. Okay, let's turn this to different angles to see what we got. Almost lost y'all, guys. All right. So, that's one angle right there, but like I say, you can see how it's going to hit the turbo pipe. Let's see here. There's no way it'll go down through there. See, guys, it's just... I don't know unless I can go, I don't know if I can see it, unless I can go underneath this right here and it come out on that side over there. But that defeats the purpose, I guess, but at least it's closer to the ground. I don't know. Let me mount y'all up a little bit. Let me put this back down a little bit. See if we can go under. Man, it can go like that, but like I said, I don't know if that's a... So I don't know if I can do it like that and just go straight across right there and it dumps underneath here. That'd be like the only place I know that'll fit. Let me just go ahead and just bolt this up and just see what it looks like. Now this right here came with the wastegate. So I think this is the one that'll fit the pipe. So you go around like that. So let me get this installed, guys, and let's see what we got here. I'm gonna try to get y'all a good angle so y'all can see what I'm doing. Let's see here. All right, I think that's probably about the best angle I can get y'all guys. Cover this up. Yeah, that's probably the best angle. So let's see if I can get it. Let's see. So what I'm going to do is go underneath here. This might be the only way I can think about how it's going to fit. Get this thing clamped. Hope this thing fits. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna have to get the other. This thing comes with 2 clamps. I don't know if I can see it. Where y'all at? This right here came with 2 clamps, and I think I'm gonna have to make, I don't know, this lip. Let's keep working with them and see. I know y'all probably can't see what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't think it's the right clamp. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I don't think it's the right one. Let me see if I can find the other one. All right, so I'm hoping everything is in here. No, I don't know what I did with it. Wow. It's not in here. Oh, crap. Only thing's in here is my wastegate springs. Thought I'd try to keep everything together. I guess not. All right, let me continue to look for this, guys. I thought it was in here. All right, guys, I tried to reinstall the first one I put on, and it fit. I think probably where I was rushing or where, I don't know, but it fit on there good. So all we gotta do now, well, before I even tighten it up, guys, hold on, let me show y'all what I got. Okay, while it's hanging there, this is what it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see, it's kind of dark on here. I'll move this light a little bit. I got it attached there to the bottom of the wastegate. And it's going all the way to right there. And I know that it's supposed to be exited out somewhere or down or blow out toward the ground. But this is probably where it's going to be at for now. I know. But I think right now that's the only option that I have. Let me go ahead and bolt this thing down and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so I got it tightened down and that's where it's at for now. At least it's away from the, I don't know how far it's down, but you can see it's a little bit away from the engine. But that is where I can only put it at. So, kind of curious to hear your comments and everything and see what I can do about this. I don't know if anybody runs an HPT turbo, But let me tighten this up real quick and I'll talk to y'all guys. Also, guys, as I was saying, for all the guys out there that run the HPT turbo, the 6466 with the wastegate already built into the turbo, and if y'all are using that type of downpipe, whatever, or any kind of type of downpipe off your wastegate pipe, send me a picture of it or something like that, and see if it gives me an idea if I need to move it or do I have to have this fabbed or whatever. But for now, I think it's going to be where the home position is going to be on that until I can figure something out. So then again, guys, this is what my channel's about. I do it myself, and if I need help, I'm asking y'all for help. If I'm doing it wrong, I'm doing it wrong. So that's the only way you're going to learn. I know probably some guys out there ran into the same situation, and I'm just kind of eager to hear their feedback and what I can do to improve this situation. Also, guys, there's something else I need to ask y'all. I know I was scrolling through Facebook, and I noticed somebody had their boost controller and it was mounted right here. So if y'all know where I can get one that I can mount it in this location, that's where I wanted to do it originally. But I don't have the resources of getting a bracket fabbed up, or I don't know who sells that, but I would like to have this right here mounted at least right there close to the turbo. So if y'all know anybody who makes them or fabs them or where I can get one at, that'd be appreciated. And also, guys, on one of my videos, let me turn y'all back around together. Also, on one of my videos, I think it's 4 or 5 videos ago, when I posted a video of me testing my 6466 turbo. It was a quick test, and plus I was figuring out a leak or something like that, if I can remember the video. But the reason why it was a quick lap around, it wasn't running right. You know, I didn't want to say it on camera, but it wasn't running right. And I found out what was wrong with it. So when I was on this side over here doing some work, I've noticed, hold on, light falling down. I probably don't need no light. I noticed this O2 sensor, it was not hooked up. I was fooling around, I was like, what is that right there? But this right here was not connected. And then I noticed, like, when I pulled in the driveway, it kind of just died out on me, and I was wondering what it was. So this right here wasn't connected. So like I say, it's just, I just got a lot of stuff on my mind. When I'm working on these cars, I'm trying to do too much. Videotaping kind of distracts you sometimes, where you're trying to work on your car, and then you're trying to show people what you're doing, but then you overlook stuff yourself. So, but anyway, guys, that's just a quick video, guys. Like I say, this is where it's at for now. And I did find the other clamp. It was in the house. So, well, that's where it's mounted at, guys. But that's the only thing I need help with. Just to make sure I put that in a good location. If it's workable right there, if it's doable right there. And also the boost controller, I like to have it mounted right there. So, yeah, because this right here is hiding. I need to get those clamps that clamps this down. I need to find some, but anyway. All right, guys, that's going to be it for the video, guys. Like I say, just stay tuned for the next video, guys. It'll be, I got some more content coming on the Grand National. But like I say, it's just a setback, but it's all good. It's all good. So if this is your first time checking out the channel, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, share the video if y'all want to, guys, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, guys. It helps you out a lot. And until the next one, guys, I appreciate y'all watching the video. Y'all stay blessed. I'm out. Peace.